Watch as Sunday Igboho leads other Yoruba nationals to 10 Darwin Street to petition the British Prime Minister for independence of the Yoruba nation, the secession and self-determination for all Yorubas from Nigeria. Yeah, it's kind of like the Biafran agitation thing that has been going on for years. Though the Yorubas, some of them, they've been agitating for their own separate entity. But at this point, one can gladly say that it's gathering more momentum, the separation of the Yorubas from the entity called Nigeria. Well, what can we say? They're finally there.
God bless Yoruba nation.
What is taking place basically, handing over a letter of, partition of the Yoruba people out of Nigeria. They basically, they wanted separation. They wanted to break away from Nigeria and handing over a letter to the Prime Minister of England. It means basically, what it means, the Yoruba nation, they would